Okay, we're recording the new cube video. So this is going to be, I'm going to call this period 2 dice project. So I'm going to create a document. I'm going to call it P2. This is the first period 2 dice project. P2 dice project. Okay, create. All right, so I always start off in the top using the nav key, click top, and then we're going to start our pre-select of the top construction plane. And I'm going to click sketch. So now we're ready to create a rectangle. Hover over the origin, click, drag, click. Move to the dimension tool, hover over, it glows orange, click, drag, click. To enter, hover over the horizontal line, click, drag, click. To enter, we're ready to go. This is going a lot faster than the other one. Green check to lock it in. Pre-select the body. We're going to do an extrusion. The extrusion is going to be 2 inches. This is going to give us a 2 by 2 by 2 cube. X2, Y2, Z2. So we see we have the perfect cube, 2 inches, and we're ready to go back to the top. You can enter anything you want. You don't have to enter the numbers 1 through 6. You can enter anything. You could enter letters or whatever. How about we do a difference? So I do ABC789. Okay, so this will be a little different. So let's start by creating, pre-selecting the face and creating a sketch. We use the text to make a rectangle, and then we're going to use the letter A. Now that we have the letter A, we're going to pre-select A and green check, lock it in, the sketch. We're going to do an extruded cut on the A name. And so this is going to be a removal, so make sure we select remove here, and then you can do 0.15 or 0.2, whatever you like. Remember that decimal point. Green check to lock it in. Yes, Inez?
And is it like the same step over and over again?
That's exactly it. So the only thing I haven't done is create the fillets. So this is going to be quite repetitious. So let's see if I can create all the fillets all at once. Oh, I might, you know what? I think I should create all the fillets at once. So I'm going to go ahead and do 0.2, but let's go ahead and undo. And so I'm going to go ahead and select all the faces. So now I've selected all 6 faces, and I'm going to do the fillet. So this should really be your second step. Fillet, 0.2, looks good to go, green check. And that's how fast we've got the fillets on all corners and all sides. So now that you have the fillets on all corners and all sides, now is the time where we're going to create a new sketch. A new sketch on this face. We're going to do the ABC A. Then we agree to the green check, pre-select the face, the letter glows. We're going to remove material, clicking the remove, 0.15, green check. Now when we look at it, we see that A is cut away from the body of the cube. Let's use the nav cube to go right, and let's put a letter B on this face. So we'll pre-select the face, start a new sketch, move to the letter tool, draw a box boundary, use the letter B, green check, lock it in with the green check, pre-select the B glows orange, removal 0.2, 0.15, green check. Now we have AB. Let's do C on this side. That's the front. We're going to start a new sketch. We're going to do the text tool, draw the boundary box. This is the letter C. Green check to lock it in. Pre-select C. Green check to lock it in. We're going to do the extrude, remove, 0.15, green check. We're halfway there. We see the ABC. So now let's do the 789. Pre-select, nav cube, sketch, text tool, boundary box, 7, green check, pre-select. Inside, it should glow the way you're seeing it on my screen. Extrude, remove, 0.15, green check. 7 is there. Next, we're going to do 8. This looks like the left face. Pre-selected the face, it glows orange. Start a new sketch. Text tool. 8, green check. Pre-select 8, it glows orange. Extrude, remove, 0.15, green check. We have the 8. And this must be the face 9. This is called back. Use the nav cube to click the back face. Zoom in. Start a new sketch. Text tool. 9. Type the number 9. Green check again. Pre-select inside the body of 9. You see it glow. Remove 0.15, green check, and we have 789. Let's take 2 screenshots to get this going. So I'm going to say screenshot here. I'm going to grab that. Boom. Capture. Then I'm going to rotate. You might need to zoom in and zoom out to get this to come up in a nice way. Here we go. We're getting a nice, good view. Remember, it's Shift Control F4. Then we're going to capture this also. Capture. So now we have both. We're ready to be able to turn that in. A good view of all 6 sides. Okay, so if you've done it correctly, you have what looks like you have 789 and you have ABC. But these can be any letters or symbols or numbers that you want. Don't forget to upload the 2 screenshots.